Welcome back, guys. So today we're working on the f350. I just ordered some coil packs for the truck. I have to check the code and see which coil packs are bad. The other day when I went to start it to move it out of the driveway and move it around the corner, the service engine light came on, and I already read the codes once. But I didn't really read them. So I got my cheap Chinese, Japanese code reader. Read codes. It doesn't charge you nothing. Ignition coil C pack, ignition coil D, and H. But either way, I'm just gonna replace them all because I don't care. These are cheap Chinese fucking injectors, or coil packs. Probably help if I turn the engine off too, or the key off. I'll show you the coil packs I got in just a second. I have to get my little toolkit. If I remember correctly, these are tiny little things. This has to come off first, but let me go get some tools and we'll get started. Alright guys, so I got the coil packs right here, the brand new ones off Amazonian. Cheapo ones, because I'm not paying $360 for a brand new set. Yeah, they're curved, just perfect. All right, we'll set these over to the side for now, so those don't get ruined. So first, get up here, and we gotta get up here even more. I replaced them already once, but I had to fix that connector. It was about ready to break off. But take that off. I'll just undo that because I'm not screwing around with this stuff today. I got 50,000 things to work on right now. Take that off. That's enough. Pull that back. Pull that off, put that up there, and little Alright guys, so finally got the stud out from there. I got a new tap to re-thread it down. I had to run Ace Hardware. I tried double nutting to get the stud out, and that didn't work. So I had to get a welder, weld the nut on. Ooh, I almost lost it in this top part. Everything's like way, So, I'm making progress so far. I'm slow turning the time now. I think that's the tap. Alright, go back out. Turn this out. Alright, we'll catch up in a second when I get this tap out. Alright, finally got it threaded. Had to go all the way down. I don't know if you guys can see all the shavings down there. But, thanks to going to Ace Hardware and spending $5. All the old stuff. But yeah, had to come out. But okay, I'm gonna get this installed right now. The final one that's been waiting to go in all day. Put the connector on. Sorry guys, I don't have my GoPro with me right this second. So let me connect that real quick. And while we're talking, I am gonna thread this down if I can find the hole. That's what she said. There we go. Get my ratchet on there. That should be the right direction. There we go. Hand tight. Okay, that one's in there. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put this back on, but we'll see you in the next one, because we are getting mirror upgrade actually to tow mirrors. It's a newer one, so we'll see you next time. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.